And friends, it is Lisa Mason Ziegler, and this is your Friday morning alert to join me at 12 noon for the live show. Because friends, I'm telling you, we have got some flowers to share today, right? That's what I'm going to be talking about and highlighting in the flower segment of my show at 12 noon. So much is happening here today. So we have this evening our company party happens here on the farm, and there's just so much going on and a buzz, and it's just very, very exciting. And have you not heard that I'm doing a free live masterclass 3 times next week on guiding you to exactly when you plant cool flowers, friends. You need to register. It's free. You got to sign up to get the link and to get the little PDF that I've made for you to fill out, and to meet me at your webinar time. And when I'm done with you after our webinar, you're going to know exactly when you're supposed to plant cool flowers. And when you show up live, I have another resource for you that then is going to guide you on which flowers you plant in which of your planting windows. Friends, I'm telling you, I am so stoked to do this. We have thousands signed up, and I want you to be one of them. And we are literally going to walk through the worksheet together, and you're going to know there's going to be any more questions. Because friends, let me just tell you, I attribute the success of my flower farm to the fact that I launched my business in spring with cool flowers. Of course, we didn't know they were cool flowers then, but I walked into that shop when they were the busiest. They were buying from everybody. And that is one piece of this pie that people just don't even think about. So sign up for the webinar, comment spring here, and I'll DM you the link, or you can find it at the top of every web page on my website. And friends, I just cannot wait for us to do this. I mean, y'all know I love teaching. I love teaching live, and y'all are just your heads are gonna explode for all good reasons. Because you may not know, spring is the highest demand cut flower season of the year. So anyway, couldn't be on here without that. So just comment spring, and that will DM you the link to sign up. Sign up. There's 3 times available, Monday, Tuesday, and then one about 5 or 6 days later. And friends, sign up, and I'll meet you there. All right, but back to the reason I'm on here. I'm inviting you to the 12 noon show today. I am once again, Tucker is eating, oh, that's all right, he's eating paper. Sorry, y'all, my dog is being a bad boy. We are giving away something every week, and this week I am giving away another $25 store credit. That means when you go to check out, you have $25 sitting there waiting for you. And I'm demonstrating the commercial Swift soil blocker as well as the small blocker, and talking about what I'm sowing right now on the farm. And so friends, it's just a really great show. So at 12 o'clock Eastern time, if you don't already have my phone app, go over to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. Download it. It's totally free. The experience is amazing when you're in the app and not on social media. And you have a lot more features. You can build a wish list. You have to be in the app to be able to be on the drawing for the free prize. So we have tons of fun. And how about these cosmos? Are those beautiful? That's for our party tonight. So friends, I just can't wait for you to join me for the show. And, while we're hot, tired, and exhausted, I'm here to tell you that you are better off to spend an hour with me next week on the masterclass, When Do You Plant Cool Flowers, than you are to do any other job on your farm. This has more impact to your bottom line than anything you could do for an hour outside this time of the year. I'm just here to tell you that. I wish somebody had said that to me 25 years ago. So sign up and meet me there. And even more important, friends, tell your friends that are flower farmers. This is such a pivotal opportunity. So see you at 12 noon today for my live shopping show. Get my app. It's free. Gardener's Workshop. Download it. Grab your lunch and a beverage, and I'll see you right back here at 12 noon. Ciao.